Hi, welcome back to the channel, fam. It's Gene, aka LS Turbo Integ, and I finally got around to doing my wife's walk-in room. Not closet, room. After a lot of time researching on the web, deciding which closet system to go with, we decided to go with two. The first one is the Pax system from IKEA. And the second one would be the Dakota closet system from Menards. The reason for the two different systems is the Pax systems will have the drawers, the shelving, the closet rods, whereas the Dakota system will basically have shelves that I can build according to size. So I can make them either 12-inch, 24, or 36. And I decided to go with the 36 after doing some measurements here. That fan here will be replaced with, I think we've got a chandelier in mind. Over here on this wall will be 3 of the Pax System wardrobes. And on the other side, that wall there on the right will also have 2 Pax Systems wardrobes. Here will be the Dakota, and this wall will also have Pax Systems. Here's that one window. That corner there will have the Pax Systems, and this back wall will have the Dakota. All the old carpeting will be ripped up and replaced with bamboo wood flooring. Also, what I'll be adding to all the wardrobe frames is crown molding and trimming out everything for the shelves. I'll also include new baseboards just to give it a more overall appeal to the cabinets versus just having a bunch of squares. I really want to put the crown on, trim everything out, and just bring it up to a new level just to make it look a little bit more sophisticated. The only natural light coming from up top would be the skylight. We do have 2 big windows in the room, but this skylight will be our natural light coming in. The room also has these storage units or storage spaces on both sides. Plenty of room to put Christmas stuff away or some type of seasonal decorations and whatnot. Here's the other side. This side is actually a lot bigger than the other side here. As you can see, we've got our Halloween and Christmas items here, so we'll get around to organizing what we want in there. Here, fam, where the big window is, I'm gonna build a bench. Because to the left and right of that window will be the Pax System wardrobe. So here in the middle, I'll have a bench built with some cubbies underneath so she can put some stuff underneath there. So on this wall here, we'll have 3 wardrobes from the Pax Systems. 2 of them will be 39 inches wide by 92 inches high. The third one will be a 29 inches wide, 79 inches tall. This is the walk-in closet, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and yank all this old wire racks out and install new built-in shelves, make it more usable. This corner here, fam, is where I'll have her vanity. It's the Slay Stations Pro 2.0 tabletop with vanity mirror and 5 drawers from Impressions Vanity. Also ordered this round tucked vanity chair for her. Now, what's nice about the Pax system is if you go to IKEA's website, they actually have a Pax planner which allows you to design the room according to what will fit. here I've measured out my room here. It is a 28 by 18, and that wall you can see what I came up with. And then you can customize it. You can do the doors, handles, interiors, and whatnot. Here for the frames, you can pick the size of the wardrobe you want to fit. And here, if you want to add doors, you can. They come in various sizes. Handles, the interior, you can do them by, you can itemize them, or you can do what IKEA kind of puts together, something pre-done already for you. But here you can see all the interiors that you can choose. And these are all your organizers. And these are the frames. So here I clicked on the cabinet there, and there is your ready interior combinations. IKEA just kind of puts together different variations of what it could look like, and you can basically plug them in, or you can individually design your own. It'll basically add up all the different shelves and drawers and give you a total price on what your design comes out to. Alright, enough talking, let's get to work. First step I'm going to do is remove all the baseboards. Alright, the carpet is out. All that's left is to go through and pull all the staples up that holds the that sponge down. Also have to remove the tack strips all the way around the room. So we'll do that now. Alright fam, here's the first delivery from IKEA. These are all just the wardrobes that I need to assemble. Total of 6 39-inch wide by 92 inches tall. Then I've got 2 29 inches wide by, I believe, 79 inches tall. And then I have a smaller one which is 19 inches wide by 92. Assembly is pretty easy. The instructions are really easy to read and follow. So you don't have to be a handyman to be able to assemble all this. I think pretty much anybody that can read directions shouldn't have any issues. Now, one of the issues that we had is after I used the Pax Systems Planner, when we went to pay for everything, we ended up getting an error message back saying nothing was in stock. So I had to reach out to customer service and talk to them, and according to them, you know, we'd have to wait for everything to come in as they come into stock or as they come in for availability. But what I wanted to do is I just wanted to pay everything up front. It was well over $3,600 for everything, but according to customer service, I couldn't pay for everything up front. So what they said was I had to hit the notifications every time something came into stock. And the problem with that is once it did come into stock, you had to purchase it right away. You either had to, if it was available, you either pick it up at the store, or if the delivery option was available, you can have it delivered. But due to, supposedly they said due to COVID, we'd have to just buy things as they came into stock. And what really hindered this whole process was basically waiting for everything to come into stock, and you know, getting charged $129 to have something delivered, you know, kind of adds up. I mean, we spent over $700-800 just in shipping charges, guys. And the IKEA stores wasn't close, guys. I mean, we're talking 2.5 to 3 hour drives just to get to any of the stores, especially with gas prices at $5 a gallon. And it's just because, you know, the manufacturers wasn't stocking IKEA right away, where you can just show up to the store and just kind of pull everything from the warehouse. You just kind of had to wait and wait and wait. And it was basically almost like bingo or hitting the lottery. As soon as your phone had that notification, you know, it was you trying to get to the finish line on making that purchase because everybody else is also waiting for that item. So it was a first come first serve basis. Customer service says, hey, as soon as it comes into stock, buy it right away, because there's no telling when that item or items will stock again. So that's why this process, you know, took a lot longer to do. So we just kind of ordered things and let them sit in the garage until we had everything in place. And even then, with these wardrobes, I still didn't have the drawers or the glass shelving or anything else yet. So, you know, we just took a chance. I mean, who knows if those items would actually come into stock this year. So, but just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm pretty sure pre-COVID, none of this probably would even be happening, but because of it, a little bit longer and more money to spend. But, you know, this is a project I wanted to do for her. She's always wanted to have her own walk-in closet or walk-in room, and this is something I really wanted to do for her because she really deserved everything that she's done for me and for the family. Alright fam, that'll do it for part 1. Next video I'll continue assembling the rest of the wardrobes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit those post notifications. That way when I drop part 2, you guys will be notified. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.